Hey everyone, this is going to be a review of the, I think it's pronounced IDSON muscle roller stick. Now, I did a review of a muscle roller stick about 4 years ago, and it finally broke. Not this one, not this from this company, but it finally cracked. It was squeaking all over the place. It was really noisy. So I did a review on how to fix one of those things, or a video on how to fix one of those. So I bought this. They're not that expensive. Never used a muscle roller stick before. They are incredible. If you're a bike rider, you've probably used these on your thighs, on your quads. They're great. They're absolutely great. Use something like this, and it feels like you're giving yourself a massage. It breaks up all the tightness. I think the word's fascia. It breaks up everything underneath your skin and helps with scar tissue and adhesions or muscle tightness. So this thing's about 18 inches, I think it is, 16, 18 inches. And the idea behind it is you put your hand on both sides, and I'm going to show you how you use it. Now, unlike the one that I bought before, this is spinning real nicely. It's plastic. It's going to feel like when you buy these things, I'll just be honest, when you buy them, it's going to feel like it's really cheap and it's just not going to work. And then you don't need metal. You can't use metal. You need something like this that's going to go onto the skin. Some of these are smooth. Some of these are ribbed or have this texture on here. And they're just great. They are solid. They can put up with a lot of force, a lot of pressure. So let me show you how you use these things. And like I have to say in all my videos, do the thumbs up. Subscribing is really important for a YouTube creator. If you have something you want me to review, if I can get a hold of it, I'll do the review. If you want to donate to my channel, ask for my PayPal info. So here we go. Let me show you how you use these things. You do bike riding. You have sore problems with your legs, if your knees are irritated, if they're tight, if the tissue around here is bothering you. Something like, oh boy. See, and I can handle a lot of pain and a lot of pressure, and that's what I need. And doing something like this just feels absolutely incredible. So I'm pressing down right now, and again, you hold one hand on each side, and you just roll. I read some comments where they said this ribbed area hurts them. Don't do this on bare skin if that's true. Do it wearing pants. But over here, it's a little sore over here, but not that bad. So you want to move around and you want to find out where is the area over here. The area that is sore. Oh my God. This is where I'm having a problem. And you can't really tell unless you start digging in there and doing pressure points and trigger points. And so the side is where I've got a lot of tightness. Now, most people carry the tightness right in here. I think you saw me jump a little. It's right in here on me, right at the top. Ow. And so what you want to do is do the muscle. Ooh, hoo, hoo. This hurts. It's a good, ow. It's a good feeling of hurt though, and it's hurting right in here. So the idea is that you do the massage. Massage makes the blood flow, and blood flow heals things. And by doing this, you're working the tissue below the skin. Sorry, this is hard to talk while I'm doing this. You're working the tissue below the skin, and you're breaking up all the junk that's inside there that is causing the scar tissue, or the result of the scar tissue, and is causing all the tightness and the limitation of movement. So it's really good. If you've got some pain over on the knee, you want to see, is it related to this? Be careful, you don't want to hurt your knee. A couple weeks ago I was in incredible pain. Everything was really tight over here. It's kind of tight. I can feel right now it's tight over in one area. So that's what you want to do. Shin, if you have shin splints, this just feels incredible. So that's the idea behind using something over there. Now, a lot of us type. We use our phones, we type, we sit at a keyboard, and this muscle over here, it's right over there. Press over there, you're probably going to feel it. It's really tight. This is easier if you have somebody do this on you, but if you don't have help, then just, you don't need a lot of pressure. You just want to get it in there. And the nice thing about this is it's not, oh, this is so good. It's incredible how something so inexpensive can make you feel absolutely amazing and relax you and help heal your body. So this breaks everything up and relaxes the muscle. It's like going and getting a massage. But the price of this thing, how much was this? Now this, I'm not going to say the price, but this was what you would spend for a lunch at a restaurant or a couple takeout meals, and you can use this for years just to break everything up. The arms aren't as bad. Now when you're doing the shoulders, it's not as easy to do the shoulders by yourself, but you can get in there and do some of this stuff. You can dig in on the top. On the back, it's not as, I don't know if I can even get a video of me with this thing. Hold on. I can't, but you can do a little bit of your lower back, which is really nice. If you have piriformis, you can get in there, laying down, and get on your piriformis or the sciatic area. Oh, yes, it's good. This is just an incredible product. Some people like rolling on lacrosse balls or tennis balls, but you get something like this and you can just dig into the muscle and really work it hard. So, what did I say again? It's IDSON, IDSON muscle roller stick for athletes. This thing is just great and reasonably priced. And I promise you, not that I can give you anything with a promise, I promise you, you're going to be happy that you bought something like this. This is great. Thanks for watching my videos. Remember, subscribe.